lalo na nag-uulat mula dito sa SM Muntinlupa City. Na yon ay magsasaksihan natin ang libo-libong tao na nakapila upang manood ng inaabangan palabas ngayong taon ang Moana 2. Ito ay sikat na pelikula sa loob at labas ng ating bansa. Marami ang nag-aabang na ipalabas ang Moana 2, lalo na ang mga kabataan dahil ang pelikulang ito ang kapupututan ng araw ng mga kabataan at ng buong pamilya. Ito ang hanggong sa isang pamilyang masaya, naglalakbang at nagpapakita ng pagtutulungan sa bawat isa. Ito ay may mga kantahan at sayawan. Hila na't manood at dalhin at ang buong pamilya at mga kaibigan sa mga iba't ibang sinahan.
I'm a demigod. You never know what's next.
Yeah, I do. Nalo's monstrous storm?
Well, you want to get through it?
Stop trying.
Here's the thing. You're down in the dumps, you think you're way off your game, but you could turn it around. Come on, remember your name. Don't waste all this energy, cause you got the remedy, and I know your legacy. You've got greatness inside, and you just gotta believe. You think you don't have the tricks, but they're right up your sleeve. These waters are threatening, but you bring the reckoning. So drop all the fear and the questioning. I need a, can I get a
Bago magtapos ang aking balita, ay iiwan ko kayo ng isang awitin na hangon sa pelikulang Moana 2. I know these stars beyond the ocean. Now new skies call me by name, and suddenly nothing feels the same. I know the path, what must be chosen. This is bigger than before. When's a chase and we tie away from shore? What waits for me? Forever far from home, from everything that everyone I ever know. Oh, oh, what lies beyond? Under skies I never seen, and I lose myself between my home and what's unknown. If I go beyond, leaving all I love behind, with the future and the people still to find, can I go beyond? Yan ang tapos ng balita ko. Salamat!